Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks. These Figma plugins will revolutionize your design workflow. Editable avatars. This Figma file includes the avatar set based on the editable components. You can easily modify and customize avatars by changing properties, saving time and effort. It allows for quick adjustments and diverse character creation, all in one atomic design system and UI kits. This powerful toolkit enhances efficiency by providing ready-to-use components, streamlining the design process from start to finish. With everything you need at your fingertips, from basic elements to complex structures, creating stunning interfaces has never been quicker or easier. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to streamlined workflows. PersonAI, User Persona Generator. With PersonAI, creating detailed personas for your target audience is as easy as typing in your product details and clicking Generate Persona. Simply input information about your product, where you sell it, and any additional details you want to include, and let the plugin do the rest. In just a few clicks, PersonAI generates multiple detailed personas, providing invaluable insights into your ideal customer's preferences, behaviors, and needs. Propstar. Generate all possible instances for your components, including every combination of variants and component properties, all in a tidy labeled table. Just select one or multiple components or component sets and run Propstar. That'll create the property table. Generator. Generator is a node-based generative design plugin for Figma that helps you create digital art and data visualization right on your Figma canvas. The results are directly editable Figma objects, including things like skewed text, so you can instantly use them in your work. Create intricate patterns and experiment with infinite variations by automating just a few parameters. Connect Figma variables into powerful graphs with a clear overview of the data flow. Variable utilities. Variable utilities is a powerful tool for designers, streamlining variable management in Figma. It enables designers to focus more on creativity and less on repetitive administrative tasks, leading to smoother and more productive design processes. Some variable workflows possible with the plugin: copy variable collections, paste variable collections, duplicate variable collection, rename variables, swap variable collections, bulk edit, local text variables. Wikipedia. The Wikipedia redesign case study is a great resource for designers because it shows how to rethink a platform like Wikipedia to make it more profitable. It breaks down the process of redesigning, giving insights into user experience. Plus, you can also have a look at how they've organized information and layers for better user navigation. Please share your ideas in the video comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.